Hi everyone, and happy Monday. I hope you were able to enjoy your weekend, and I'm hoping also that you're continuing to be well. In this video, I'm just going to talk you through what you're doing for Monday, May 11th. So when you go to do your assignments for this week, you're going to look in the folder that's titled May 11 to May 15. I'm underlining it right now. Once that folder is expanded, go to Monday, May 11, and here's what you'll find. So the first thing you're going to do is take a look at the vocabulary video and do the vocabulary quiz. I believe there are 4 words this week. Once you've taken care of the vocabulary, then you're ready to listen to the story for this week. So this week's story is a little bit different because you're actually looking at a timeline, and then there are 2 jobs that you're going to take care of based on that timeline read aloud. Once you've taken care of number 2, then you're ready to move into your spelling words practice. Okay, the 4th thing you're doing is your fluency practice. So there are a few questions that go along with that passage in the video. Number 5 and number 6 are both about the recipe writing. If you haven't finished your writing, you can continue to work on it. If your writing is done, please let me or Mrs. Hovey know that it's finished, because there are still quite a few people that haven't had a chance to talk with us about their final copy. Okay, if your name is anywhere on this part of the folder, please make sure that you're looking at what that says and taking care of that job. Also, please make sure that you're doing the specials assignments. So on Mondays, we usually have the library listed for that folder, and I'm noticing that not a lot of people are completing the specials assignments, so please make sure that you take care of that too. All right, so at the very bottom of the Monday folder are reminders to check Senko's feed. Take a look at the messages that are coming from Miss Simpson and the nurses, Miss Checo and Mrs. Hensel. Okay, also there's a link to practice your typing skills, so keep going with that. The final link are those optional activities that you can do once you've done everything else. So not just what's in this folder, but also your band, orchestra, ELL, MTSS, and assignments for Mrs. Diggins. Don't forget about the groups that are at the top of the page. That's where you can check out what's going on with Miss Checo, Mrs. Hensel, and the nurses. So if you have questions about anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can send me a message, or you can come to the chat when it's open. All right, I'll talk to you later. That's it for this video.